ఎక్కడ పెట్టిరు అది మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టేసుకో ఏంటి ఎక్కువ వస్తుందంటే మ్యూట్ పెట్టేసుకో
మరేమో వాయిస్ రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది మ్యూట్ లో అయితే పెట్టేసి ఉంచాను.
So if we are talking about the DDL commands, we discussed about the create, right? Yesterday. Again, we have a alter statement in the drop. Template. Template. These are the DDL commands. Okay. By using create, we can create the table view procedure, any object like synonym, any object we will create by using the create. Okay. So earlier what we discussed about the create table, right? Now, what is the table we created? We will alter this table. Okay. We created the student table. Now what we will do? We will add the we will alter this table. For example, here class okay, first we will add the column here, extra one more column. After that, we will change it. Okay. So by using alter command. Okay. Syntax is alter table. TN means table name. Alter table name. Add column name. Data type. Okay. Add column name, data type. This is for adding column syntax. Okay. But what we are doing, actually what we are doing here, we are altering the table. Means existing structure, what is the existing structure is there? For existing structure, we will add a new column. Okay. By using the alter command, this is the syntax for alter. But here, okay, alter, which is the object we created, student table, right? Now we will add a student, alter table, table name. Okay. Add column. What we will add here, gender column, we can add. Okay. Gender column, I'm adding, and I'm giving a char, data type as a char. Okay. Maximum, what is the length? Male, female. Male means MJLA, 4 characters. Female means 6 characters. Transgender, one more is there, right? Nowadays, earlier we have only male and female. Now, even central government itself, not only central government, all over the world, they are accepting a transgender also. Transgender means how many, what is the maximum? TRAN stands for gender, G and ER. So 9 plus space 10, at least minimum 10. Okay. Characters we are adding. So this is the command. So, . Ready? We have to run. We are discussing about DDLs, right? So what is the date? 26, 2024, school. Right? Now it got created. Right? So what we create now? Yeah. First, what you have to do, we have to set, for example, suppose if I am giving select one user underscore variable. So something like that. This big job it is coming. And this some government tables are there. Under this, other underscore tables, the records are there. It is called 135 rows are there. So here, if you are seeing there is like we are not able to see proper structure. So why? Because default it's allow some each line some 100 characters or something. Okay, we have to set that one. Okay, we have to set it. For example, if it is more than 100 or something characters are there in the database table, we have to write set line size to 200. Okay, at least 200. So it will set the line. Okay, after that, what we do? Select star from student. Right? Student. No row selected. Why no row selected? Have you deleted? Yesterday you applied any delete? Okay, fine. Then, okay, no problem. So what happening? Okay, now yesterday we created two records, but it is something we not get counted or something, whatever it is happened. Maybe while doing practice, maybe you deleted. Okay, so we lost the data. That's fine. Now, anyhow, structure is same. This way. Good. Yes, now we capital 20. Lots. Student number, student name, class, field, created data. Okay. Same 5 columns are there. Now what we are trying to do, we are trying to add alter this table and add a new column called gender. Table alter. Now, if we are seeing again, describe the student structure. So, for gender column got added. Okay. Now, while inserting what we have to do, sysdate, comma, gender we have to add. What we have to add? For this one, character. Okay. Name. So one more we are adding. Name. Along the one here, we have to add single button. Yesterday, what we no, it is there. So yesterday, what we saw, we specified the columns. Okay, now what I'm doing, what I'm doing, okay, fine. What I will do here, one place I will specify the column, one place I don't want to specify the column. Control. Fine. Gender, we added, now while inserting, I am specifying. In this place, what I am doing, right? Inserting to student. So for example, here I'm inserting. Okay. So one created. Now we can see selected star from student. So it got inserted. Shiva got inserted. Okay. After that, I'm inserting one more record. This is also created. So it got created. Right. Now, if you are observing for this one, this insert statement and this insert statement, what is the difference between these two? Here, this is also insert statement. This is also insert statement, but some difference is there, right? Here and here. What is there here? What is not there here? Means here what we did is here we specified all the columns. Okay. Here I haven't not specified all the columns. So here what we have to identify, right? When we have to specify the columns, when we no need to specify the columns. Okay. So when we have to specify the columns, suppose if we are giving all the values from the table, means all the values if you are giving, right, no need to specify the columns here. If here, suppose here we have a 6 columns, out of 6, we are giving values 3, then you need to specify. You need to specify. That is, specification is mandatory here. You have to specify the columns. If you are using all the columns and all the values, then that is optional. You can specify or not. Means here we did, here we specified all the columns, here we not specified all the columns. So if you are specifying or not specifying, not a matter. It will accept. But if you are trying to insert giving values out of 6, only 3 or 4 or 5, less than 1, means if you're not specifying all 6 values, less than that, if you are giving the values, then you should have to specify here the number of column names and order also same. What is the order you are giving here? Same order values also you should have to give here. Okay. Here and here you should have to specify same order and values accordingly. So if you are not specifying the column names, then you have to give all the values of the table, which are the columns we have. That is the main thing you have to remember. Suppose, for example, here I am specifying only, see what I will do here. Yeah, here actually now gender came, right? Now gender came. So what I am doing, yeah, some matrix, right? Some matrix person I am inserting, but he transgender. Yeah, you see what it will be happening. And see, here we have a 6 columns. Okay, it will throw the error. What is the error? Too many values. Too many values means what is happening here? Even here you specified only 5, but you given the 6 values. So that error it will come. And one more thing is, this is one way. Another way is, suppose I am not specifying here anything. Okay. But actually, how many values it's having? How many columns? 6 columns, right? 5 values. Means it's not enough values. If you are extra, if you are giving, then what it is giving? Too many values it will come. If you are not giving, means if it is less than that, if you are specifying, right? If you are not specifying here column, then you are giving the values, then not enough values it will come. So that is the reason. If you are not specifying here column names, then values we have to specify for all the columns. Okay. So now what we will do? Create a date is there. So I am not specifying. Now you will have to compare 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So it is acceptable. What? Okay, fine. Now, sorry. Now all 3 values it is inserted. But what happened here? Gender, I haven't specified, even I haven't given any value also. So gender value not coming. It's coming as a null. Empty value, if it is there, right? That means in our database, any database, we are calling as a null. If nothing we are not able to see here, nothing is there, value is nothing is there, then it is a null value. We are considering as a null value. Again, sometimes it will display as a NULL, null also. If null is there or empty value is there, it is equal to null. Okay. That is the thing. So what happened? Now gender column, what happened? Gender column, it's having a character like a 10 I given, means maximum length it will occupy 10. Okay, maximum length it will occupy 10. So now what I am doing, right? So in the alter angle, we can change this one. How we will change this one? What I want to do, this is, I want to change the character instead of why we have to type male, female, transgender. It is a lengthy values, right? We can give like a male M, instead of male M we can give, right? Instead of female we can give F, transgender we can give T, right? Both are same, unnecessarily waste of memory. Typing also it will take a space, like a time. So avoiding that one is space, another one is timing. This typing is also. So what I will do, we will give the just single character. So if that is the case, character 10 means 10 characters. So everywhere it will occupy. Okay, how many values are given? 10 characters, it will occupy. So unnecessary waste of space, memory. So avoiding that one, what I'm doing, again, this out by using alter command only. Okay, I'm changing alter table student. Okay, modify. What I'm modifying, gender column, modifying 10 to 1. Okay, length I'm changing 10 to 1. Okay, now what it will be happening? You see what it will be happening. It will throw the error actually. Why? Why? Because I will tell you. Cannot decrease the column length because some value is too big. Means male and female already we gave the value. So it is more than one character, it is outpaying more than 1 byte. It is 4 bytes, it is 6 bytes outpaying. So it is not allowed. Suppose if you want to reduce the length of that column, then the column should not have the values. Means it should be empty or null values, it should be there. So what I will do, what I'm doing now, update student. Okay, update student. Set what we have to set, gender value, right? Set gender equal to M, gender equal to M, where STD number equal to STD number and is a column name. What is the value it's having? Okay, which is the column we are using? Under that, what is the value is there? That value we have to specify here. So update student set gender. Instead of male, what we are updating M, setting the value M, where student number means in this column, value equal to 1. 1, wherever is the 1 is there, we are changing to M. Okay. Another thing is updating set gender as a F. Okay, where student number equal to, okay, now change it. Okay, now change it. So now M F for there means we reduce 10 to means 4 to 6 to 1. Okay, now we will see what is happening. We are able to modify or not. Okay, why? Because already it's occupied. This is the disadvantage of this one. So what we will do, we will set it. Now what I'm doing, okay. This is the wait. Again, we will do this one. What I'm doing, truncate table student truncated. So no data is available here now. So what is the see? I told here one is create is done, alter is done, truncate. Okay. This is also we are trying. I truncated means truncate means what it is doing. It will remove. It is removing all the data from the table. So in this table, what is the data is there now? It's not available after truncating. Truncate means it will remove all the data from the table. So now I am able to understand. Why? Because earlier, even we changed the mail to means earlier 4 characters or 6 characters, what is the bytes it is occupied, right? That was we changed the flag value M to male to M, female to yeah, but memory not released. Memory not released. But now after truncating, memory got released. So memory got released. Now we are able to read this. Now there is no data in the table. Even the columns also, it is not there. So we are able to change the, we are able to modify the column length, gender column length from 10 to 1. We can reduce it. Now this is another kind of alter statement. Okay, modify. Even we can increase or decrease the length of the size by using this one. But only thing is for increasing, no issue. For increasing the size, no issue. But decreasing, it should be empty. It should not have any values. Then only we are able to decrease the size of the column name. But if you want to increase the length of the column, then we can increase, no issue. For decreasing only problem if data is there. So first you have to remove the data, then you can decrease it. That is the thing. This is alter modification. This is the all are table structural changes. What we are discussing all are table structural changes. That's why we are calling as a data definition language. This one also, alter also. Okay. Another thing is, again, we will insert the data. Okay. Now, what we will do, inst gender, what we will do, not simple, we will do. Yeah. Now, all three insert. So once we are inserted or deleted, what we have to do? We have to save it. We have to save the data. For saving means here commit. Okay. Save, commit means save in the SQL. Okay. Now we are saved. Yesterday we haven't saved. That's why the data we lost. Now maybe we not done the commit, or while doing the practice you deleted. Something happened. Okay. Whatever it may be. So that is the reason. So now we saved this one. We cannot lose the data unless until explicitly if you are deleting or truncating. If you are truncating the data, we will lose it. And if you are deleting data also, we will lose the data. But now we save, it is safe. Our data is safe now. Another thing is, yeah, alter. In the alter itself, for example, another modification is there. Add visa, modify visa, right? Another thing is in the alter, what are the things visa? Add, modify, right? Another thing is drop. Another thing in the alter statement itself, we have drop also. So add we tried, modify we tried. Then we needed drop. See, this drop and this drop is different. We'll see both. Okay, now we will talk about this drop. What is this drop? So another thing, now I'm adding one more column. What we can add student table, right? Student table, location. Okay, location. No problem. Anyhow, I am dropping this one. Location, where can front. Okay. Now I'm adding one more column called location. So it's altered. Location column added, but no data because we know already existing data it is there, but location for that value is 0, null. Okay. Now, suppose if I want to add something, I'm adding here. Okay. I'm adding here. Okay. I'm adding here Hyderabad. So, new value it will come. It's like it. Remaining value is not coming. So I'm added now and then certain data, no data is available, location is added. But after few days, I got a requirement. I don't want this column. Any one of the column, I don't want. Okay. So what I want to them. I want to remove the column. What is the column? location. At the right time, no need to specify the data type, just specify the column name. Drop. Okay. This is the thing. Alter table, table name, drop column, column name. Alter table, table name, drop column, column name. Now, if you are seeing, it got dropped. So it not existed location. So remove. That is the this drop. This drop is for the removing the column name. This drop is for the removing the column. Same way, what I want to do, I want to create another table. Okay, std1 and select star from student. What it will do, right? Same structure, student structure, what is there? std1, it will create with the same. Sorry. Create what we will create object name we have to give, right? Table. So created. If you are seeing any difference is there, student number, S name, class, fees, created date, gender. Data also same. There is no difference. Here also 4 records are there. Here also 4 records are there. So same. No difference. So this is the command, create table name as a select star from student. If you are giving this one, same structure, what is the student structure is there, same thing we will create. Okay. This is a duplicate table name I created. For this one, I want to drop again. I don't want. Drop table std got drop. Now, if you are giving student one, table of view doesn't exist. Okay.